Hello dear students, I will continue the topic, the chapter set. Today I will discuss about subset and then power set and universal set. Okay, so subset, subset. We have already studied about sets, finite set, infinite sets, equality of two sets when the two sets are said to be equal, exactly same elements are there. Okay, and now subsets. We know subsets set means what? Collection of objects. Okay, suppose we are having a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is suppose we are having a set. This subsets, from its name it is very clear that subsets means sum of the elements from the given set. By taking some of the elements from the given set, if we are writing a set, then that will be subset of the given set. Okay, so there is notation. So here, suppose we are taking 2 and 4, two elements, and make a set, then it will be the subset of this. So we can make many subsets of this, only taking 1, only taking 2 and 3, or 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 5, and etc. There will be many subsets. So actual definition, if we are having two sets, suppose set B and set A, then we say that A is subset of B if every element of A is in B. If each element of A is also in B. That is, A is subset of B if each element of A is in B. Okay, that is A belongs to A means a element of A. If A belongs to A, then it will also the element of B. We use symbol just like this. Implication, that is something says to this, means this symbol what says, suppose here X, then Y. That means if X, then we can get Y. Implication, this implies one-sided implication. Both-sided implication, two-way implication, this. That is, if here suppose P is some condition, here Q is some condition. If P implies this, then we say P implies Q. P implies Q. And also if Q implies P, that means P implies Q, Q implies P. So both way implication. So we can write like this. Okay, this implies this. That means by taking this condition, we can get this. Whatever be the condition. Also, in reverse direction, if Q, then we can get P. That is P to Q, Q to P. Both combinedly both implies what? P, both sided implication. P both implies Q. These are our symbol, means this and this. Implies. This implies this. So here, that is A belongs to A implies A belongs to B. Means A is element of A, then A is also element of B. That is A is subset of B if A implies A belongs to A implies A belongs to B. So in notation we can write also A subset of B, subset for denoting the subset. What is the notation for subset? Here symbol vary from book to book, because in NCERT book for subset only use this symbol for subset. Clear? And you can see in the reference book for subset they are using like this symbol. Okay, for subset this. Here in NCERT book for subset this symbol is used. Okay, actually this is proper subset. This symbol is used for proper subset. What is proper subset? Here, just now, suppose we are using for subset, A is subset of B. That means A subset B. This subset. Okay. So A subset B, this is used for, this symbol is used for subset. A subset B if this A belongs to A implies A belongs to B. Similarly, X subset Y if X belongs to X implies X belongs to Y. Okay, these are the notation subset. For example, suppose we are having a set B 1, 2, 3 and making a set A 1, 2. Then from here it is clear that each element of A is an element of B. 1, 2 both are element of A. So 1, 2 is also element of B. So we can write A subset B. In the case of proper subset, when A subset B and A is not equal B. A is not, we know the equality of two sets. Also in terms of subset, we are defining equality of sets. Here A subset B and A equal not B means element of A is also an element of B. But A equal not B means there is an element in B which not belongs to A. Then we say that A is proper subset of B. For proper subset, generally for proper subset, we are using this symbol, and for subset using this symbol. Okay, for subset this, for proper subset this. Proper subset means this. This means A subset B. A subset. This is A subset B. This is A proper subset B. That means each element of A belongs to also B. Okay? Maybe B is subset of A. But here A subset B means A is subset of B and B is not subset of A, because in case of proper subset there is an element in B which is not belongs to A. Okay? So now we are using for subset symbol this, because it's clear that this is subset. This is proper subset. Proper subset means B is superset of A. That is, B has an element which is not belongs to A. Here A equal not B. A subset B and A equal not B. That means all element of A is an element of B, but there is an element B which is not belongs to A. That is, B is not subset of A. In that case, we say that A is proper subset of B. Proper subset of B. And in this case, we say that B is superset of A. B is superset of A. B is, in case A is proper subset of B. In case A is proper subset of B, that means A subset, proper subset B, we say that B is superset of A. B is superset of A. Means there is element in B which not belongs to A. Okay. This is the symbol for subset, symbol for subset or for proper subset. Clear? If proper subset B, then B is superset of A. For example, suppose A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we see that A is proper subset of B, because element 4 belongs to B but does not belongs to A. Here all element of A belongs to B, to the set B. So 1, 2, 3 belongs to A and 1, 2, 3 belongs to B. So A is subset of B, but A is subset of B, but A is not equals to B, because their elements are not exactly same. So we can say that A is proper subset of B. Here B is superset. B is superset means B contains A completely. Or there is an element in B which does not belongs to A. That's why you say that A is proper subset of B and B is superset of A. Okay. So this is the symbol for subset, proper subset, superset. When we say some set is superset of other set. Okay. Here trivial subsets means, suppose A is a set. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And we know that phi is a notation for empty set, that is having no element. So it is very clear that phi is subset of A. Phi is subset of A, because phi have no element. So phi is always a subset of any set containing some element. Okay, and this is void set, null set, trivial subset, trivial subset, and A is subset of A. Also, all element of A belongs to us. Also, all element of A. So, A is always subset of itself. Phi is always subset of any set. So, A, this is trivial subset. This is trivial subset. Okay. So, these are the phi is always subset of any set. A is subset of A. Simple. Okay. So, here we can set, we know set of real number, set of real numbers, set of real numbers, set of real numbers. What? R. We can represent R now subset of, we are discussing about subset of real numbers, set of real numbers, subset of set of real numbers. That is, this is set of real numbers. Subsets of real numbers may be what? Set of real numbers, we know that what? All the numbers which can be represented on a line. This is 0, this is negative side, this is positive side. Okay? Minus negative, this is plus infinity, up to infinite. Any numbers on the line are representing real number. Okay? So generally we know that basic sets. First set is set of natural number, and then set of integers z or I, we write for that, and then rational number, and then number other than rational, that is denoted by R minus T, means set of rational real numbers, whole real number minus rational, there are irrational number also present there. Okay, these are all the subsets of R, because we know natural number what? 1, 2, 3 and so on. But here all the numbers on the number line between 1 to 2 also real numbers. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the natural number. Integers a positive number, also negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and all the negative numbers, integers, there are numbers. But in between numbers, they are rational or irrational numbers. So if this represents all the rational numbers, then whole numbers, whole real numbers minus rational, remaining numbers are irrational numbers. Also, these all are subset of, suppose this is represented by T, then we can see that what? N is subset of R, Z is subset of R, okay, Q is subset of R, P is subset of the irrational numbers R, and also we see that here how set of natural number subset. But here we know that maybe written as a subset, but we know about these sets, so we are writing like this. Because we know there is some element which does not contain n. So n subset Z subset Q subset R, also T subset R, because n completely containing Z, Z completely containing rational, rational completely containing R. Because there is some element which is not belongs to here. There is some element which not belongs to here. So we are writing like this. That is, here we see that R is superset of this all these sets. So these are our basic discussion about subsets of set of real numbers. Now we know between any two real numbers there are infinite real numbers. Suppose between 1 and 2 there are infinite numbers on this line. They all are real numbers. So subsets of real numbers, set of real numbers also can be represented like this, because we know between 1 and 2 there are infinite real numbers. So we can write, if we write like this, a set such that x belongs to R. That means what? X is set, write in set builder form, contain all those elements which are real numbers and lying between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2. That is, x lies between 1 and 2. This is written in terms of set builder form, except this subset of real numbers, it cannot be written in roster form because there are infinite numbers. So we can write like this. This set can be represented as an interval. Interval means complete is real number, set of real numbers, all the numbers are real numbers. So if we take a portion of this line, then we can say that this portion contains all those real numbers between two endpoints. So here x is real number between 1 and 2, the endpoints 1 and 2. Here just less than, not less than, equal. So 1 and 2 will not include. So we are denoting like this, called open interval. So 1, 2. This can be represented like this, open interval. A 1, 2 means 1 and 2 does not belongs to the set, but between 1 and 2 all the real numbers belongs to this set. Interval as a set, interval as a subset. This is interval, open interval. This is subset of set of real numbers, because set of real numbers contains infinite numbers. So this is open interval. When we include any of the endpoints, then we are denoting like this. Suppose to include, then we can write like this. So in that case we are denoting like this. Means closed. This side is closed, means 2 is also included here. If here also, up to now, what is this? Left is open, right is closed. Okay. Now if both are less than equal, then this is also closed. Okay, closed interval. There is 1 and 2 are also included, and this is contains infinite real numbers. That is, this is what? Subset of real numbers. The interval subset of real numbers. So there are, we can represent this how? Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, 1, 2, So for denoting this, we are noting like this, bold and this. And if this represent what? 1, 2. And 1, 2. That means what? 1 and 2 are not including. That is 1, 2. Open side. For this closed side. And suppose we are noting like this. 1, 2. What is this? 1 open and 2 closed. Left open, right closed. And we can also write like this. 1, 2. And this is bold. That means what? Left side closed, right side open. So left closed, right open, left open, right closed, both are open. So open interval, closed interval, left open, right closed interval, left closed, right open interval, and you can represent graphically like this. These are the subsets of set of real numbers. So interval can be treated as a subset of real numbers, and it can be represented as set builder form like this. Suppose we are writing AB can be written as like what? X, such that X belongs to R and A is less than equal X is less than equal B. Closed interval. Open interval means what? A and B are not included. X such that X belongs to R and A is less than X is less than B. And left open, right closed. That is X such that X belongs to R and A less than only like this. And left closed and right open can be written as like this. X such that X belongs to R and A is less than equal X is less than B. These are the intervals. Notation of intervals or all are written in set builder form, or these are the all subset of real number. What? Subset of real number. But we know that like this. Okay. So all are subsets of real numbers. So in subsets of set of real numbers. Yes, R means set of real numbers. Okay. So interval can be treated as a subset of real number. Clear? So now one more topic for discussion is power set. Okay. Power set. Okay, these are the discussion about subsets, superset, and so on. Power set. Power set. Power set is a special notation. This is just PA like this. Power set means suppose we are having set A equals to 1, 2, 3. Then we can make how many subsets of this? Suppose only 2 elements are there. Only 2 elements. 1, 2 or ABCD. Anything, any type of elements you can take. Suppose A, B, this is a set A. Okay. Now how many subsets of may be formed for A? We know phi is always a subset of any set. That is phi is subset of A. A, and only taking single element, we can make a set singleton. Also, there is a notation singleton set. Only contains single element. That is called singleton set. Singleton. Singleton set. Singleton set means only single element are there. Only one element are there. Then we say that is singleton set. Okay. So taking one element, only one A, we can make a set that is also subset of A. We can only take B, that this is also a singleton set and subset of A. We can take both A and B. This is also subset of A. Here we know that only this line will not there. We can write like this. So don't confuse with this symbol subset. This is for subset. This is for proper subset. These are proper subset, we know. Whenever we use this notation for unknown sets, then we use this for subset. And when we are clear from the behavior of the set that all the elements of this set belongs to this, but there is one element on the right hand side that is not belongs to this, then we use this symbol. Okay, so just like this subset. Okay, so this may be the, because AB like this, here both are equal, so like this. Clear? So how many subsets? How many set that are subset of this set? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we listing all these sets or taking all these sets, we make another set of subsets, set of subsets of A. What? Set of subsets of A. Here A is this. These are the subsets. Set of subsets, and set containing subsets of A. That is 5. Always will be there A, B, A. This set of subset. Okay, this is denoted by power set of A. Power set. What is power set? Power set is a collection of power set of an set A. Suppose A. Then power set contains all the subsets of set A. Possible subsets. So these are the possible subsets. We are listing this, making a set. That is power set. Okay. So here we see that, and also there are some notation for denoting. We know set is finite or infinite. If set is finite, suppose A contains 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. A contains 1 element. Okay, A contains 2 elements. 1, 3. Then number of elements in this set. What? 3. So we write notation Na, cardinal number, also say number of distinct element in a set. We can also write like this: A equals to 1, A, B, suppose C, suppose D, 1, 3, 2, 2. Here 1, 2, 3 are elements, so 2 is repeating. So repeating elements does not allow. So here distinct element, different element. How many elements are there? 3. Here also 3. So Na what represent? Number of distinct elements in the set. Okay. So 3, NB1, NC2, and D also 3, 1, 3, 2. 2 are repeating, maybe repeating, but distinct elements. So this is notation for how many elements are in a set. Okay. suppose there are n elements in the set. Here we see that set was what? A equals to AB. How many elements are there? 2. So, how many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 power 2 number of elements in the set equals to 4. That is what? Number of subsets in a set. Suppose we are having a set like this P1, single element, one element, 1. So 5 is subset of P, singleton 1 is subset P, only 2. So how many elements are there? NP 1. So 2 to the power 1 equals to 2. 2 subsets. Power set of P is equals to what? If this is P, not P, B, suppose B, then power set of B contains what? What? 5 and 1. How many subsets are there? 2. 2 power 1, 2. Okay. Also, suppose we are having 5 containing no element. That is, n5 equals to what? Cardinal number 0. There is no element. So, its subset of 5 is, say, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. Something power 0 equals to 1. So, number of subsets. Subset of 5 is 5. You know, every set is subset of itself. So, they are single subset. So, P5 is equals to, power set of 5 is equals to what? Only 5. One subset. Clear? So there is a formula. 0 element 2 power 0 1, 1 element 2 power 1 2, 2 element 2 power 2 4, 3 element 2 power 3 8, and 4 element 2 power 4 16. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16. So this is our formula. What is the formula? 2 to the power n, number of subsets of a set. 2 to the power n, where n is what? Cardinal number of the set, that is number of distinct elements in set. Clear? So power set, number of subsets of a set is what? 2 power n. Clear? Number of subsets. Number of subsets of a set is equals to this, where set contain n distinct element, n distinct elements. Okay. Okay. This you can write like this, or m, also m, because n is represent number of elements, na? So suppose n equals to m, then 2 to the power m. This is the number of subsets of a set, where set contains m distinct elements. That is what? That is cardinal number of set is equals to m. Clear? So this is formula for finding number of subsets of a set. Okay. And final topic is universal set. universal set. Okay, universal set. Universal set means all the sets and subsets which are under our consideration. All the sets, all the subsets which are under our consideration. All of that are subsets of a big set, a basic set. Means that is called universal set and represented by U. Represented by U. Represented by U means this contains all the sets and subsets. This contains all the sets and subsets which are under our consideration. Okay? Then U, that is, this is called universal set. That is, universal set is superset of all the sets and subsets. Okay? Universal set means it contains all the sets and subsets which are under our consideration, denoted by U. And here we can see that if we are using natural number, integers, rationals, irrationals, sets, then sets and their subsets, all are subsets of real number. So if we are concerning with natural number and integers, then universal set may be our set of rational numbers, or maybe also set of real numbers. If our consideration sets are with natural number, integers, rationals, irrationals, then our universal set may be set of real number. Okay? Because this is superset of all that set. Okay? So this is universal set consideration. Now we will say solve question exercise 1. Some questions from exercise 1.3. Now we will solve some questions from exercise 1.3. So first question, make correct statement by filling the symbols subset or not subset in the blank spaces. There are question 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 7 under question 1, exercise 1.3. Here subset and not subset. This is subset A, subset B, and A, if A is not subset of B, then we are writing like this, not subset. That is, each element of A is also contained in B, there is no. If A is not subset B, then we are using this symbol. This means A is subset of B, and this means A is not subset of B. So just filling the symbol, fill in the blank type questions. Here first 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4 also contain in second set, so subset. Second ABC, BCD, no, not subset. Okay, not subset. And third question is what? X is a student of class 11th of your school. Here X is the student of your school. Subset. All the students and only students of 11th class. Subset. Some of the students. Na? So, fourth question, X is a circle in plane. In a plane, circle. Infinite circle are there. Okay. So, set of circles. And another set is X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Restricted. So in this side all circles, here circles with radius unit. So not subset. So not subset. Because there are all circles or restricted circles with radius 1. So not subset. X is a triangle in plane and X is a rectangle in the plane. Triangle in a plane, or here X is a rectangle in a plane. So triangle, here rectangle, not subset. X is an equilateral triangle, X is a triangle in the same plane. Equilateral triangle, some special type of triangle, or all the triangles are there. So subset. Some of the triangles from all triangles. So X is an even natural number. In this side and right hand side, X is an integer, even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And the right side, integers, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and negative numbers are there. So this is particular part of that set. So what? Subset. That is subset means you have to put this symbol. Subset not means just type over this. Okay. So this was the solution of question 1. Very simple. Based on the definition of subsets. Okay. Now questions 2. Take question 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. First, AB not subset BC. False, because AB and BCA. Here also AB present. AB present. All elements of this set is subset of this. Also belong to this. So subset. Here given not. That is what? False. First false. And A subset X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay. Because A, first answer was what? False, since this. And second, true. Why? Since AE. And right side written what? Vowel in the English alphabet. Set builder form. You can write vowel A, E, I, O, U. AE also belongs to here, subset. So, subset, right. Now, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 5. False. Here, subset. False. Third. Since 1, 2, 3, subset 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 is not subset. Because they are given subset, not. Because 2 belongs to here and 2 belongs here, 2 does not belongs. So not subset. Not subset. Here given subset, so false. A subset ABC. Okay. A subset is true. True. Because A subset ABC. A, here also A. Now, A belongs to A subset ABC, right? A subset ABC, right, means which question? 4. Fifth questions you see here. Question 5. There are many differences in notation. So, see carefully. Here question 5. A belongs to, written here, belongs to ABC. Question 5th. Wrong. Because this is a set and this is ABC are element of this set. This contains only element ABC, not contain a set. This is element of this. Wrong. A belongs to this. But if we make singleton set, this is set. Set does not belong to this. So this is what? False. Clear? Now, 6th. X is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number less than 6. 2, 4. Natural number, positive, less than 6. Means 2, 4. This is a set. Even natural number less than 6. And right side, x is a natural number which divides 36. Natural number which divides 36. 2 also divide 36, 4 also divide 36. So whatever be the set here, divide by 36. These two also will be here because and other element are also there. Element this belongs to also this. So what? Subset, right? Okay, right. Question 6. So there is notation. Use remember it in the next question. We will see. Okay. So now take question third. What is third? Third. In third, we are given a set A. Third. Solution third. Given set A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is given set in question 1. Okay. Which of the following statement is incorrect and why? Incorrect. False. Which are false? There are 11 points are there in under question third. First is 3, 4 subset A. First is 3, 4, 3, 4 subset A. Here 3, 4 जो set 3, 4 set is an element of the set here. Complete 3, 4 belongs to this, is an element of this set, not subset. Okay, so false, incorrect. Because what is the reason? Incorrect. Incorrect. Reason is what? 3, 4 is an element of the set A, not a subset of. By taking, you can make a subset like this, 3, 4. 3, 4 is an element of this set, set A. So by taking this element, we can make a singleton. That is subset of A, but not this is subset of A. This belongs to A, an element of A. So this is subset. Incorrect. First. Okay. Second. 3, 4 belongs to A. 3, 4 belongs to A. Correct. Third. What? 3, 4 subset A. 3, 4. Taking this element, we can make a set. This is subset of A. Right. 3, 4. 3, 4. Taking this element, we are making a singleton subset of this. This is correct. Correct. Okay. Now, fourth question is 1 belongs to A. Here 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 is element of this set. Correct. One subset E. Subset E. Incorrect. Incorrect. Very clear incorrect. Because 1 is element of it, not subset. Incorrect. And 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Okay. So incorrect statement are what? First and fifth. Correct, 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 fifth. 1 and 5th. So we are collecting answer 1, 5th, incorrect. Okay. Now 6th. 6 is what? 1 to 5 subset A. 1 to 5. Taking 1 to 5, 1 to 5, taking 1 to 5. These are the element of A. So 1 to 5, taking 1 to 5, we can make a subset of this set. So this is subset, correct. 7 is correct. 7. 1 to 5 belongs to A. 1 to 5, this is belongs to A. Incorrect. 1 to 5, 1 to 5 belongs to A. This is not A element of this, because here 1 to 5. This is subset of it. Okay? Incorrect. And 8. What? 1 to 3 subset A. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 subset A. 1 to 3 subset A. 3 is not element of A. 3 is not element of A, because this is a single. This is considered as a single element of this. So 3 is not element of A. So 1 to 3 is, this is a subset. This cannot be a subset of A. Incorrect. Incorrect. Okay. Now 8, then 9. 9. 5 subset A. 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A. No. 5 is itself a set. So this belongs to A. Incorrect. Okay. So incorrect. 10. 5 subset A. Correct. Why? Because 5 is always subset of any set. And this is subset of A. 5 is not an element of this. So this singleton is not subset of A. So incorrect. Okay. So incorrect statements are what? 1 2, 1 5, 7, 8, 9, 8 and 9 also, and 11. 6 are incorrect statement. Okay, we can tell you with your given answer. This is comes from our discussion. So 1.3, what? 5th. 1/5, 7th, 8th, 9th and 11th. Okay, so these 6 are incorrect statement from this question. You have to give reason. Just at the time of solving, I am giving reason, but not right here. So you have to write what is the reason for this correct and incorrect. Okay, so by writing all the discussion, you have to give the answer as correct, incorrect. Okay, so this was the solution of question 3rd. Now take question 4. Write down all subsets of the sets 1, 2, 3, 4. First question, solution 4. First, what given set is A. How many subsets? All the subsets we have to write. The first, by taking single element you can this is also subset and phi is a subset. Phi is always subset of any set, so phi is a subset, and also singleton A is subset. Okay. Second, what? AB. Second, AB means phi is subset, A is subset, B is also subset, AB is also subset. Okay. Third is what? Third is 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. 8 subsets will be there. So phi is 1 and 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 may be taken, 1, 3 may be taken, 2, 3 may be taken, and 1, 2, 3 may be taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the subsets. Okay. Now fourth is what? Fourth, phi. Phi means what? Containing no element. So phi is subset, only phi. Phi is subset of any set, so phi is subset of phi. So this is the solution of question 4. Now take question 5. Question 5. Okay. So question 5 is what? Question 5 is how many elements has PA if A equals to phi? What will be the answer? Give the answer with logic. Okay. So if A equals to phi, we know that PA equals to what? Subsets of A. Set of subsets of A. Sorry. Set of subsets of A. PA equals to set of subsets of A. So A equals to phi means empty set. So its subsets only this. And it has element. How many element? 1 element. Okay. Also we can see A is singleton set. That is what? That is cardinal number of A is what? 0. So number of subsets we can find by 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So set of subsets, the elements of in PA, how many subsets? 1 subsets. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. This is the answer. PA has 1 element. Clear? So you have to give logic. Clear? So this is the solution of 5. Now, time for your attendance. For that, I will give some questions. Solve. Just solve 6, 7, 8, 9 of the exercise 1.3. Okay. Question 6. Write the following as interval. Write the following as interval. There are given in set builder form. X such that x belongs to R means x is real number, and minus 4 only less than is minus 4 only less than x is less than equal 6. X is real number. In the form of interval you can write what? Minus 4, since here less than, so open, and equal this. This is the interval. So you have to write this solution of this question. 6, 7. 7 is write the following intervals in set builder form. Okay, here minus 3, 0. This is open interval. We see this is open interval first. How can we write set builder form? In this open interval there are infinite real numbers. So set builder form is x such that element of set, infinite set x. X is what? Real number, and x both sides are open, so minus 3 less than x less than 0. This is set builder form. So just write solution of these questions. Okay, and taking question 8, also solve question 8. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? What universal set would you propose for each of the following set? There are two sets. Set of right triangles. Set of right triangles. In a plane, all the right triangles are the elements of our set. For this set, what may be the universal set? Universal set is what? Which contains all the subsets and subsets which we will consider under our study. So you can write by logically, since we know that universal set is this. So for if we make a set of right triangles, then for that set this may be the universal set. What may be the universal set? You have to write. Okay, so write it, and also the set of isosceles triangles for you have to write universal set. So solve this. Last question 9. The given set A135, B246, C02468, which of the following may be considered as universal set for the three sets ABC? For the three set ABC. For this three set ABC, 1, 2, 3, the given option are 1, 2, 3, which may be considered for universal set. So you have to give logic one by one. Whether this first may be a universal set or not, second maybe or not, third maybe or not. Okay, so you have to give logic. Logically write the answer of these questions. 4 questions. What? 6, 7, 8, 9 of exercise 1.3. You have to solve it and give reply to me, making PDF file, which will be your attendance. So reply to me today. Okay.